Alaska, a state of extremes, a place of unmatched beauty, set against a backdrop of unforgiving and untamed wilderness. North to the future is the call of a state motto which has drawn those seeking adventure and fortune. Yet even today, less than 3% of Alaska's total area has been disturbed by man. There's a reason it's been called the last frontier. Still, it's here, before statehood, that in 1957 the fledgling Alaska Power and Telephone Company staked its claim to provide service. Today, 50 years later, it remains a place where the next generation of employee owners is taking the high ground of opportunity to formally announce our progress on the construction of Alaska's newest and most ambitious communications project, the Alaska Power and Telephone Southeast Alaska Microwave Network.